There was talk that the legendary Honda S2000 sports roadster would return in 2025. Fans of the Honda brand are hoping that the 2025 model will maintain or even improve upon the quality, practicality, innovation, and longevity that they have come to expect from the company. By staying loyal to its heritage while embracing technological advancements, the S2000 has remained a reliable source of exciting rides for a long time. A turbocharged engine upgrade will be available for the S2000 in 2025. This breakthrough engine is able to generate more power with less gasoline consumption than its regularly aspirated predecessors. The rumor has it that it will produce more than 315 horsepower, so you know it will be an entertaining ride. In keeping with its heritage as a race car manufacturer, Honda has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension to enhance handling and cornering. The 2025 S2000 is defined by its design, which is a blend of contemporary and vintage features. The S2000 honors its roots by retaining the famous design's short rear deck and tall hood. The addition of LED headlights in 2025, however, greatly enhances its looks, reduces its overall size, and increases its aerodynamic efficiency. The Roadster's bodywork may be customized in a wide array of eye-catching colors, giving drivers the chance to express themselves. Honda has included a plethora of contemporary conveniences and innovations. The driver will like the car's high-quality materials, touchscreen audio system, and computerized instrument cluster, which work together to provide a comfortable ride. For racing and long-distance driving, the ideal seats are supportive and comfortable. Thanks to Honda's astute use of space, the Roadster manages to radiate an aura of utilitarian luxury despite its little size. The integration of Honda Sensing, a suite of state-of-the-art driver assist technologies, leads to enhanced safety. Included in this are features like autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. These state-of-the-art safety measures allow drivers to relax, whether they're hustling down a city street or tearing along the open road. The stylish and environmentally conscious 2025 Honda S2000 is the epitome of form-following function. To reduce the model's impact on the environment, Honda prioritized fuel efficiency and lightweight materials. The S2000's turbocharged engine should allow it to satisfy stringent emissions regulations without sacrificing thrilling acceleration or nimbleness. We don't yet know how much the 2025 Honda S2000 will cost, but we can expect it to be competitive with other luxury sports vehicles in its class. With prices expected to begin around $50,000, this premium choice is ideal for customers seeking a happy medium between cost and performance. Because of Honda's legendary reliability and meticulous craftsmanship, this model is bound to sell well. It would appear that the 2025 Honda S2000 maintains the same level of quality as its predecessors. This is how it takes the original and makes it better by keeping the greatest parts and adding new ones that drivers love. This next-gen Roadster will satisfy any S2000 fans' needs for speed, style, and performance, regardless of how long they've been riding the series.
Thanks for watching.